Jack, there's another one.
Jack, that's for you. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday, Jack.
Happy birthday, Jack. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Welcome. Open up.
Ooh, got banana.
Help?
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, wow. Cartoon or something, isn't it?
He's giving that to you, Jonathan.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, Katie.
Katie, we're here.
We're down here.
Katie, she got.
Yeah.
You woke up.
What do you... Wait till Jack sees...
Like giving the paper to you, huh? So she's gonna give
Here.
you more. Like, he's gonna give you more. Say thank you.
No.
Take it. He loves to give it to you.
They're all the same, I guess. We're going on that assumption.
It's tea.
No.
Trying to make
More.
really good tea.
Here, I'll take it, Jack.
Thank you. Oh, he wants to give you more. He wants to give you more.
Thank you.
Show him what it is now.
Well, it's like a suitcase with for all your cars to get in and look.
Oh, that's what to put all your cars in.
This
Let's
and
see.
this
I was
thing
just gonna put you in.
is like a little race
Let's
thing.
see what's in.
Yeah. We could show that while his dad is putting that together. We could show him how that works, because that thing is... He'll like that, I think.
Oh.
Oh.
Whoa!
Hey!
Ooh, little, look at that. A kimono. Is that what it's called? Is it like pajamas? Ooh, little pajamas
Oh,
for Katie.
Jimmy.
Pink, your favorite. Look, Katie, pants. With little flowers. Oh, what do you say? You want to bring him at home? Okay. All right, we'll bring him at home. Say thank you.